Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Police Insider, and the title of the video is Boyfriend Beater Punches Cop in the Face During Arrest. Wow. It's about to get action-packed, you know what I mean? Let's get into it, man.
On March 5th, 2023, officers responded to a case of domestic violence. Upon arriving at the scene, they tried to talk to one of the women involved, but she was uncooperative and kept screaming at a man. Here's what unfolded next.
Hello. Officer, I saw you got a body camera on. What's going on, ma'am?
No.
Are you all right?
Yeah.
Did you get popped in the mouth?
No.
No? What's going on? Who else does I want to say? I guess, did you call us?
To escort somebody, that's it.
Okay. Hey, what's up, my man? What's going on, brother? You see what's going on in there? No? Okay, hang tight for me real quick. Hey, guys, police department. Do you need an ambulance for anything?
Look at all my I didn't touch her. Didn't touch her. Don't come.
Nobody said he touched me.
That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Where's my next closest unit? Okay, ma'am. You just want to stay out here?
That's my crib. What you mean?
Okay.
Fucking nobody even touch. Like, come on, bro.
I don't care, bro.
It's all good, dude. Hey, man.
Nobody said you did shit. Didn't say
No, you calling him if I do shit. Fuck you.
Please, just leave. I'm done with you.
Miss.
Like you said, you playing me. I leave. Hit me.
Bro, I don't get no
Don't be
away
smart
from
up
you.
there.
What's wrong with
Can't be
you?
doing that.
This house away from me, dude.
Okay, man. Do you want to tell me what's going on? You call us.
I want to escort him. That's it.
Okay. Well, what's going on?
I don't gotta tell y'all know what's going on. Just
Well,
escort
can you
him
tell
on
me
my
what happened
crib.
in your
He
eye?
can go with his friend.
Can you tell me what happened in your eye? Ma'am, you called me to help you. I want to help you out.
Bro,
Can you please tell me your name?
Janaya.
Janai? Okay. So what? In order for me to even do anything, you kind of need to tell me what's going on.
It was
Okay?
just a little argument. I was trying to get my
Okay.
house key. That's it. He
Okay,
wouldn't give me my key.
Who's he to you?
Him?
Yeah,
That's his friend. He trying to get him. That's it.
No. The gentleman with the no t-shirt. You can slow down. There's a lot of hollering going on.
I showed you now you want to
Okay. Hey, bud.
I never touched
Bud,
you.
just
You hit me and I hit you back.
just ignore him.
I touch you. I never touch you.
So now I touch, bro.
Yeah, I hit the up off of
Bro,
me.
I got the proof. I was just sitting
Hey,
there. Bro, I got the.
Janai.
Oh, right. What you talking about? I'm not even no more.
Fine.
You started talking to me. You could have just gave me my key and I was gonna
My
leave.
shit, I pay the rent here.
That's not your shit,
You
yo.
don't pay shit.
I said, don't bitch. You gotta be sticking
Don't
on
go
my
at him.
job,
Don't go
bro.
at him.
Fuck that. No, bitch. We didn't move. Bro, get the bro.
Stop.
Get him out of my crib.
We're working on it. You gotta tell us what's going on.
I ain't gotta tell you
Does
shit.
he live
Put him
there?
on my crib.
Do you live there? Who all
Fuck.
lives there? So
I'm
who lives
breaking
there?
my lease anyway.
Okay, so who all lives here?
I don't understand it. She calls the cops for help, but she don't want to tell the cop what's going on. And I get it. You know, somebody probably she don't want nobody to go to jail or something like that or whatever. But like, you can't just call the cops and then just not say what's going on. Like, he don't even know what to do. Like, he don't know what's going on to even help assist you in whatever problem that you got going on. Like, come on now.
The woman continued to yell at the man even after the officer's repeated requests not to do so.
Okay, what's going on?
Look at all these police when they looking around this so
All I asked him to do was to give me the key so I could walk down there. I was gonna come back when he left.
that's my daughter.
Okay.
Hey, go ahead, slap, bro. I'm not even going.
Go. Tell me what to go so
Okay,
bad.
do you think we can go down there and talk?
Oh.
Can we just do that? Maybe walk away from him? I'm really trying
Bro,
to...
I asked her the key.
Can you do something?
Now you get my grandma paid for it. I say the money she sent me. I ain't do nothing back.
Jesus.
Tell about.
Hey, you're fine.
So did you stop suspicious? I gotta bow down to you? You cool?
Just keep walking. Just walk with me. Just walk. Ignore him. Ignore him.
Bro,
He's being the bad person. Just speak with me, okay?
you a
Just speak with me.
fuck time I'm playing you. You single now, you're not playing nobody.
Janai.
Yeah, you been single. Right, I don't get no time I'm playing you. Did you see you had a in my crib while I was sick?
Ignore him.
Yo, they love the toxic dudes, man. I was just watching an Instagram post and it was like, what was it? It was something like the guy, 6 felonies, tattoos, 6 foot, whatever, right? And then and then it had her with her hair tied up. You know what I'm saying? You know how girls, you know, before they about to, you know, give you that fellatio, they tie their hair in a bun or whatever. Yo, it's like they love the toxic dudes, man.
Ignore him.
Bro, he pushed me down the stairs. I didn't touch him at all. You pushed me down the stairs.
Okay, just stop. Can you talk to us about anything?
Hey, ma'am, do you want to talk about what's going on?
Bro, I just want y'all to explain.
Hold on. Hey, stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here, or else you're going to go in cuffs, okay? Stay over here. Ma'am.
What I tell
Ma'am, stay over here. Stay over here, okay? I got a body cam on. What's going on today?
Bro, he mad because I told him to give him my house key.
Who is he? Ma'am.
Somebody I was dealing with.
Will you talk to me right here? Who is he to you?
That's my boyfriend.
Okay.
Was my boyfriend. That's not my boyfriend.
Did anything physical happen?
No, I asked him for my key. That's it.
Okay.
So he wanted to give me my key, get to yelling shit. I call y'all to escort him out my crib. Just give me my key, bro.
Hold on. Hey, I need to talk to you so we can figure out if we can do that, okay? We'll probably take one more.
Y'all don't need one more.
Ma'am.
Like I'm telling you.
Ma'am. Stop walking around or else you're going to get put in handcuffs, okay? You're not listening.
That's what he's trying to say. You won't even listen to the man.
How long has he lived here for?
He just said
You pushed me down the stairs.
Ma'am.
My mom told you to stop hitting her f***ing daughter.
Ma'am.
Because you always fighting me.
Ma'am. Take a seat on the fire hydrant, okay? Ma'am.
Bro, so since you give me shit, I gotta bow down to you?
Ma'am.
I gotta bow down to you?
Ma'am.
Fuck, come on, bro.
Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
No, you're not, bro. Stop touching me.
Then chill out.
What's wrong with you?
You wanna go in
Start
handcuffs?
beating your ass too. Get the fuck away from me.
You can try that, but that wouldn't work
I ain't
out.
gonna try.
Chill out.
Stop touching me.
You want to go in handcuffs?
What's wrong with you?
Chill out.
No. Stop touching me. I'm
Yep.
already mad, bro.
I don't care if you're mad, because I obviously can't help. I can't do anything for you if you don't talk to me.
What's wrong with y'all?
How long has he lived here? Ma'am? Okay.
Stop touching me. Bro. Let me go. Go. Let me go. Bro, move up.
Let me check these.
Oh yeah, she a loose cannon, my boy. Oh yeah, she's a loose cannon, man. Toxic loves toxic, man.
Handcuffs. Yep, I'm going to check them.
Fuck. I mean, go.
I gave you about 10 warnings.
I don't give a what you gave me. You don't know me, bro. I don't give a
Well, you're under arrest
I
now.
don't give a fuck. I didn't care then. I don't care now. Everybody gonna stop playing with me. For real.
Chill out. Let me fix these
Bro, I'm
cuffs.
telling y'all better let me go, G.
You're under arrest for agbat.
I'm not under arrest for
Yeah,
nothing.
you are. You just punched me in the face.
No, I didn't punch you. You tried to grab me and I moved you. Fuck
Obviously,
wrong
you
with
need
you.
to
Stop
listen.
touching me. Give no bro. What's wrong with y'all? Bro, let me go. Bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. Let me go, bro. I don't give no
Can you just search her real quick, secure my
Bro,
Glock?
don't touch me. You're not a female. You're not supposed to be touching me.
you don't know.
Stop touching me.
Stop.
What's wrong with y'all? Bro, don't touch my bro. I'm telling you, bro.
Back up. Back up.
I don't give a fuck.
She showed no signs of stopping her erratic behavior.
I don't give a about nobody. What's wrong with y'all? Leave me the
Well,
alone.
you're under arrest. You're going to the county
I don't
jail.
give no about no county jail. What's wrong with y'all? Y'all don't know me, bro. I will tweak the out.
Stop.
Y'all don't know me, bro. So let me go. For
Open
real.
that door.
Y'all do not know, bro. I will
Open
tweak the
that.
out. Y'all better let me the go.
Take a seat.
No, I'm not playing. Give me my phone. Call
Take
my
a seat.
grandma.
You're not calling anybody right now.
Right, because you a let me go.
Miss Nichols, are you doing all right? Or you calm down a little bit? Do you want to talk about whatever happened inside the
I
apartment?
don't want to talk about Give me my phone. That's all I want, so I can make a call.
Okay.
Ma, you need a quick
I
calm down.
don't want to talk to nobody. Everybody leave me alone. For real. I'm not in the mood already at the end. Then everybody just steady pissing me off more. I'm telling you, I'm going to somebody up. Just leave me alone.
He's sitting up there basically screaming,
What?
talking about you always putting your
No, he always hitting me. I got pictures of the black eyes, all that. I don't touch him. I told him to give me my kid. He started hitting me.
Tonight. So in
After
order,
this, it's over with. It's over with. Just break the lease today. Go up the back. I don't want to talk, bro.
Janai,
Leave
So the big
They
thing,
trying to help you.
Help me for what? I got proof. I didn't touch him.
Okay.
I don't care what he told y'all.
You're not under arrest for that.
You're not.
I don't care,
I'm
bro.
trying to
I
figure
don't
out.
care.
Can you at least tell me how you get that thing on your eye?
How?
He's saying that you attacked him.
How did I attack him and hit myself in my eye?
No, you're not listening. How'd you get that thing on your eye? Can you tell me what happened to you? Did he punch you, scratch you, push you? What happened?
You lying, telling them I hit you? I never touched you. Yeah, you did. You just told them that. Get out of here. Hold on, bro. Let me the out of here.
They trying to
Bro, let me.
I'm trying to tell him, I'm trying to calm him down.
I'm trying to take it. Then he started lying to y'all. They all.
Janaya?
Honestly, my opinion, they both be beating on each other. To keep it a band with you, they both beat on each other. You know what I'm saying? She got an attitude problem. This dude definitely got an attitude problem. You know what I'm saying? They both be beating on each other. You know what I mean? When you call the cops, listen, they got to know what's going on. You can't call the cops and then like not say nothing. And you want to roam around and you want to talk to him and not talk to the cop. And you called the cops. Like, it don't make no sense.
I don't gotta lie about he always fighting. It's not the first police call. Look at my number.
Hold on.
The police always here.
Hold on. Nah, what they trying to, I'm trying to
He
help
lying
y'all
about I
calm
be
her
hitting
down.
him. Hitting him how? The police have been up to us multiple times.
Nah, they trying to basically say that you were, like, reason why they are trying to arrest you because how you acting and stuff. They said they came to talk to you, but you started trying to fight them and stuff. And I told them you got mental health issues and stuff. But what you doing is not going to help you. They probably didn't even want to try to arrest you, Nye.
It's not you. I just don't want to talk to nobody. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I'm gonna somebody up. Just let me be, bro. I'm telling you. I don't want to talk to nobody, bro. Bro, I'm not trying to touch you, bro. You ain't do nothing to me. Where my phone at, bro?
I got it here in my pocket, okay?
Yeah, y'all.
Right here to the left, Miss Nichols.
Come on, bro. I don't want them touching me either, bro.
So they got to search you.
For what? I don't have nothing on me.
Take your seat on the bench there for me, please.
I'm telling you nothing. Now get up in there, you better tell them. We got the wrong ones. We got a lot going on. I'm not in the mood, bro. I'm telling y'all. Y'all gonna be called code red. We have a fight, yeah. Somebody else.
You guys might need to. You guys might need to.
Y'all don't need to.
You guys might need
You
to.
better be no females. Beat the out of one of y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna need some man officers.
Thank you.
That's what I'm saying. This now I'm in jail because y'all don't give me my keys. I'm trying to leave. I ain't had to call the police. You steady with me. I'm trying to police. I want you up in here. And I stab y'all up. I'm gonna be going to jail for that. Oh, you gotta kill him. What they gonna do? Besides, just tell y'all everything I'm telling him.
They're gonna tell me.
Oh, yeah, she's going through. I know what I'm going through already. I've been in and out of institutional hospitals. I don't need nobody to tell me.
Do you want to talk to somebody?
No, I don't. I already know how this shit goes. I already been through this 1,000 times in Chicago, everywhere I go. Call SAS, call whoever y'all can call, Garfield Park. I don't give a f.
You're gonna have to.
No, I'm not. I'm not posting that on Facebook. I know how y'all operate. Yes, it is. That's what y'all do. Hey, what? You gonna cooperate with me? Yeah, no, bro. Don't come when we talk. Hey, what? For real. All right. Ain't no smoke with you, but it can get like that. I don't get no leadership y'all be doing down here.
A lot of homicidal statements, a lot of statements to fight other inmates, stuff like that. So,
Who do you
go
want
ahead and
to
go through Miss Nichols.
Anybody. You gotta touch me. I'm not in the mood. I'm not here to play with
Well,
nobody.
unfortunately,
I
the
don't
mood
want
doesn't
nobody
matter to
touching
me.
me.
We got a job to do. We got
I
safety
don't
and
care, bro.
security.
Stop talking to me,
Demands.
bro.
Alright, I'm gonna pat you down.
Real, I'm not in the talking mood, bro. Y'all been talking too much as it is. Y'all, I call y'all to come do something. Y'all act like I'm the suspect. I call y'all to
Miss
put
Nichols.
somebody on my crib. Y'all arrest me.
They weren't out
live,
there.
We don't live here. That's my shit.
These people weren't out there, Miss Nichols.
I'm talking to you.
Yep, I was the only one out there.
Yeah, you try to grab me, and what happened? Boop, bop. Don't touch me.
And you got her.
If you touch me, it's gonna be the same thing.
Face the wall.
It is. Any female in here touch me, y'all gonna see on my soul. Y'all gonna have to put me somewhere by myself.
We're gonna need a cell.
Anybody touch me.
was 12.
Anybody touch me, I promise y'all gonna be calling cold red. I'm not in the mood to play with nobody.
Stabbing
Personal- No, I'm
beat
not
up
suicidal.
inmates,
But that's what I gotta say to get the fucking people that yes,
trying to
I
get out
am.
and kill
got 2 pairs of
her
pants on.
boyfriend.
I know that.
Alright, well,
Ain't nothing in me. You can touch me.
we're gonna get one of those pairs of pants off.
I got on shorts under here. Alright?
We're gonna go dress her out here in a minute.
Dress me for what? Cause I'm finna bomb right out tomorrow morning.
You gotta wait till tomorrow to go see the judge.
I don't give a f. That's what y'all don't understand. I don't care.
The female was charged with domestic dispute, domestic battery, aggravated battery upon a peace officer, and resisting arrest.
Toxicity loves company, man. That's the bottom line of that, man. She got some serious issues going on. He got some issues going on. But I mean, this is just ridiculous, man. But she said, listen, well, y'all touch me. What happened? I hit you with that boop bop. Yeah, that was funny. I ain't gonna lie, that was funny. But man, yeah, she wacko.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.